Okay folks, what we have here is a New Balance tennis shoe with a slight problem. We got a tear up here in the nose. So we're going to put that on the Chinese shoe patcher and see if we can't fix that up. So I'll remount the camera and here we go. Okay, when you start your stitch on here, you want to tie your stitch down, and the way to do that is to go a few stitches, bring your needle up, but make sure your foot is still resting. Now we'll raise the foot. I take that back. You want to make sure your needle is still down in the material. When your foot starts to come up, then you can turn the head, aim it back to where you started, and then what you're doing is sewing back over your stitch, which locks it in. And you want to do that, I always do it a couple times. It's hard to get used to this machine if you know how to use a real, a regular sewing machine. It goes against all the principles you've learned. And then when you get to where you need to change directions, you just turn the head again. trying to do two parallel lines here. Of course, when you go in the other direction, you can't see worth a darn. I haven't used this in a year, probably. Now we're going to do the same thing to lock our finish stitch in here, or the end of this stitch. And I'm going to leave it at that. Let's take this off of here. Still got our bobbin thread. That's always a good sign. Okay, here's the finished shoe. I hope you can see that my lines aren't real good, but from a distance, the main thing is that is sewn shut. That's upholstery thread. I fixed another pair of shoes in the same spot. New Balance again, and I've been wearing that shoe for I bet a year and it's never come loose, so definitely worth your time if you want to save a little money instead of throwing some shoes away. That's it from here.